bit late. It's like 8:30 already. Slept in a little bit. So, yesterday's vlog is going to be up a little bit later than I said in yesterday's vlog. So yeah, the ideal upload time would be between 8:30 and 9 in the morning, right? But I could probably still have it uploaded by 9. So that's okay. It's still only 8:24, so I got time.
How you doing, buddy?
Okay, so as you saw in that little clip, the cop touched the back tail light of that car as he walked up to it. Now, correct me if I'm wrong, but I think, okay, now this is my theory. My theory is that they do that so if anything happens to the officer, they can prove by their fingerprint that they were there. You know, that's the car that they pulled over. I don't know. But that's my theory. Do you have any theories? You know, that's what the comment section's for. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Why do they do that? I've seen that so many times in these police videos and stuff. But yeah, I don't know. I think that's just the way it is, I guess. But there must be some reason why they do that. My theory, again, is just to prove that they pulled that car over. That's the officer that pulled the car over. I don't know. Like, if the officer goes missing, they can prove that they were there. Yeah. But anyway, I'm a little tired. Gotta get ready for work soon, but just figured I'd say something about that, because that just struck me as odd, seeing that all the time. Yeah, but it looks like it's gonna be a nice day. Not too hot, not too cold, just mild weather for today, which is good. Kind of need that. My ear's still kind of plugged, but whatever. Need to pop it somehow. Okay. So, running a bit late. I don't know why. See, this is what I do. I sit down there, I watch YouTube videos, and yeah, lose track of time. Prince, do something interesting. What's up? Fine. Oh, he's moving. Prince. Where you going? Okay, so really, this is my morning routine. Now, I'm not going to show you every morning because that can get a little redundant. So pay attention. So I come into the kitchen, right? I got a plate and I grab not one, but 2 pizza pops. Right? And it's hard to do this with one hand. Put them in the microwave. 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Start. Then I walk over here. As you can see, Prince is waiting for me. Go in here. Grab the cat food. And I go into the living room. Now this is the tricky part. I have to put you down for a second. Isn't that a beautiful light bulb? Okay. Open up the bag. Alright. Move your fat head. Oh, crap. Okay, anyway. And then I feed them. And pizza pops are still cooking, right? So there you go. That's what I do. That, you know, I get my food, they get their food, you know. Then I give them water, but I'm not going to attempt to do that with one hand. So I'm going to go and do that, and I'll be back. Alright, get to try out my new headphones. Yay. Alright, well, can't really pair them right now, but I'm going to pair them. In a bit. So yeah. So they go in my ears. Like so. Like that. This one feels weird because it's all numb and everything from being clogged. I don't know. Hopefully I can still hear out of it. Yeah, with my hair down, nobody will even see them. Just came home from work. These little earbuds, the Apple AirPod, that's it. Apple AirPod knockoffs, right? Those are amazing. Those headphones, those little earbud thingies, those are amazing. But anyway, I'm going downstairs because I've got an unboxing video to do. Awesome. It's so dark all the time. I really need to get a better light down here or something. But anyway, the unboxing video for my new drone is uploaded. It's live right now. So if you haven't seen it yet, what are you waiting for? Should be right there. But anyway, that is, I don't know, it's really cool. after I did the video, I took it upstairs. I was playing around with it for a bit, and it's okay. It works. I mean, aside from the fact that I don't know how to fly it properly, and it went crashing into the wall and died. But it's okay. It's not broken or anything. It just stopped working because there was very little battery life. So I'm charging it right now, and then I'm going to play with it a little bit more once it's fully charged. Okay, so the drone is fully charged. So now I want to do just want to check it out and see how it works. The video quality and everything. Just a little tiny test. It's not like a review or anything yet. That video is coming soon. But yeah. So this is the end of the vlog. And I hope you enjoyed it. And yeah. Keep on this channel. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Check out the links in the description box. Follow me on all my social media. And that was Boxer. He's pretty loud. What? What do you want? Wow. Loud cat.